woodworkers, hobbyists, crafters, this is a must-have.
The speed bench is very useful, flexible, especially if you're limited on space.
So the speed bench has made my job easier. Between framing, trim to finishing, it goes everywhere with me with every single job.
The speed bench was easy to use, portable, and the ability to multi-function with it was amazing.
I don't have to lug everything to it. I could take it to where I'm working.
It really just kind of makes it a one-stop shop as far as using all my tools and gathering all my material and taking it to one place so there's less trips back and forth to the truck.
We do a lot of farmers markets and art shows, and the speed bench has made it very easy to load into the shows and also being able to display and demo off of the workbench surface.
A one-step lock is very easy. Simply use your foot to unlock it.
Within seconds, you can have it from a hand truck to a table.
So utilizing the low table height feature, I've used that in a lot of different areas.
The speed bench gives the ability to work at a lower level as well as raise it up to have it at the right position that you need to do the job that you're working on.
Being able to mount a miter saw to it is a great advantage to be able to be mobile with a miter saw.
The speed bench offers integrated lines on it in both metric and SAE.
So I don't have the need to constantly pull up my tape measure and make different markings.
The detachable skid plate on the speed bench makes it easy to store in a van or under a cargo cover on a truck.
Being able to eliminate the use of having to have sawhorses or multiple other tools to take things to and from the job site has helped me a lot.
It's really just giving me the ability to not have to worry about what I'm putting on it so that I can focus on the project.
Being able to have a workbench, being able to move things around is the best feature of this tool.
I take it with me everywhere. There's no job too big or too small for it.